it's your girl Shayla here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do henna. This is my first time putting henna in my hair. It's supposed to make your hair thicker, stronger, and shinier. So we're gonna see how this goes. So guys, first things first, these are some of the things you'll need in order to do the henna today. So I'm gonna use, they tell you to just mix the powder in this box with water, but I'm gonna use coconut water, so we'll just see how it goes. Trying to keep it all natural here. And this box here, I just got this from the beauty supply store. I don't even think the price is on here anymore, but I know I didn't pay a lot. It probably was like $5.99 or something like that. This is just the natural black color, so I just got that from the beauty supply store before all this COVID crap happened. Vaseline for your edges. You need a little mixing bowl and spoon, a wide tooth comb, a little shower cap, gloves, and then obviously your cape, hair cape. All right, so that's all you need to get it done. All right, y'all, so make sure to have an old tee. This is just one of my old t-shirts. Make sure you have an old t-shirt on. And then these capes you can get anywhere. I know a lot of stores are still closed, but you can get a cape right from Walmart. I think Target has them too, but I know for sure you can get a cape at Walmart. Just so you don't get this stuff everywhere. Because I've been watching on YouTube and it says people get this stuff everywhere. So I took the carpets and stuff out of my bedroom too. Woo, y'all. This is what the quarantine to make your hair look like. A hot mess. So guys, for me today, the big thing for me is to, you see these grays though? That's what we're trying to get rid of today. Because the next thing I'm going to do is a sew-in. So, and I'm gonna leave out. I'm gonna do a sew-in with leave out. So all these edges and stuff will be out. But this is like we're trying to get rid of all these grays in the front. So you'll guys see when I'm doing this, I'm not gonna put this all over my head, but just kind of the perimeter of my hair. That's where I want to concentrate it, because I'm really just trying to get rid of my grays. Okay, so first you just want to take your Vaseline, put it on your edges, just like if you was doing a perm or something. Just put it around your edges. Alright y'all, so you just want to take your powder, so it looks, you see that inside, so it looks like. And remember, this color is the natural black. And once again, I'm just really doing this to cover up my grays, honestly. And then we're gonna follow directions today. Like I said, I'm just adding coconut water. Okay. So just as you want to get it into like a paste-like consistency. I always say add a little bit at a time. You can always go back and add more water. And guys, it takes a little bit. It'll almost seem like it doesn't want to mix together, but it will start mixing together, as you can see. But at first it'll just look like, oh God, it's not mixing together. But it will. Just keep on mixing. Keep stirring it together. It'll start mixing eventually. And they say you can pretty much, some people mix like green tea with it. Some people do like put oil in it too. I wouldn't do that. I would just stick with some type of like green tea or other liquid. But I don't know that I will put oil in here. But some people do. I've seen that too. Okay. And obviously, y'all, if I was putting this, it really doesn't have an odor either. If I was putting this in my whole head, I definitely would have needed 2 boxes. But since we're just doing the front, I should be good. Focusing on the front and in the perimeter of my hair. So we should be alright. Okay. So that's what you want. Not really coming off your spoon. You don't want it runny, but it's almost like a paste. Okay, see that? Like nice and thick. That's what you want. Alright, y'all. So once again, this is what you want. That's the consistency that you want it to be. Just thick. Alright. And it does come with a brush too, but I'm not going to use a brush. If I was really doing my whole head, I might like section it and do all that, but we ain't doing all that today. We're just going to take our hands, make sure you have your gloves on. And I'm literally just going to take a little bit in my hand and start putting it in. And like I said, just be careful. Watch what you're doing, because this stuff will stain. It smells like a green tea or something. Yeah, like, I don't know. Yeah, it smells like it has green tea in it. It smells like earthy, like an earthy smell. Yeah, I know y'all like, Shayla, what the hell's an earthy smell? But it's almost like if you do like a fresh face mask or something, it almost smells like, it smells like some of them powders I'll be adding to like my smoothies and stuff. That's almost what it smells like too. And guys, once again, my focus is these grays in the front, because when I do this sewing and I have this leave out in the front, that's what's going to be showing, is my leave out. So that's what you want to focus on. These grays, I don't know what's going on either. I ain't been stressed out or nothing. I've been chilling. These grays just keep on invading the headspace, I'll tell you. You wanna get it in there, y'all. It smells super earthy. I don't even know what to say it smells like, but. And once again, y'all, this is like, use this instead of using the, this is like more of a natural hair dye. Instead of using the stuff with all the chemicals in it, you can use this. And there's a ton on the market. Like, a lot of people sell henna. So, you definitely can't say you can't find it, because it's a whole lot of people out there selling henna. Alright, so I pretty much got my edges done. So now, I'm gonna just take it and like, just put it throughout my hair. You see, we got it all worked in there. So now you just want to take your shower cap. Put your shower cap on. Now the box says you could leave it in for like 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm gonna probably leave it in for like an hour or two, at least an hour. And then I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all. I've probably had this thing on for like, it smells like coffee now. Ooh, look at that. All right. I probably left that on for about, go look at there. I probably left this on for probably like 3 hours now. I did not mean to leave it on that long, but it's legit probably been like 3 or 4 hours. So let's hope this washes off my skin okay. All of that. All right, let's get this out. Y'all, so let's see how this came out. So all I did was just wash, condition, and then deep condition. And I deep condition for like an hour and a half. Ooh, y'all. This color though. Oh yeah, I'll definitely do this again. So if y'all could see, remember all them grays that was there before, they going now. They gone now, honey. Yeah, I'll definitely, I want to do my hair. I want to do like a blonde golden, light brown type of color in the summertime. So hopefully the beauty supply stores be open soon, because that's where I got it from. But I'll definitely look for that again. I never looked for it online, but I might have to try that. Alright, so all I'm gonna do, just do a little spritz with some water. Take a little water to it, liven it up a little bit. I don't know, when I use a t-shirt, it's like a little When I use a towel, it's like super dry. And it can only be in a towel for like a couple minutes. But it's always like super dry. But when I use a t-shirt, it's a little better, but not all the time. My hair just soaks stuff up super fast. So just take it, spritz it a little bit. And then all I'm gonna do is take some Cantu, put a little bit of that in it. A little bit more. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, so it is what it is. Get your nape. Do your praying hands. Always do this to get that through there. So that's all I'm gonna just put that Cantu in there, and then my oil mixture. What do I got in here? So I got shea butter, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and there's one that I'm missing that I got in here too. And don't forget to get in there. Massage your scalp a little bit. A little bit more oil. And honestly, y'all, if I had somewhere to go right now, I could wear my hair just like this. But oh, I love this color. Color is everything. I really want my hair light brown though. So that's coming up next. But y'all, this color though. Yes, honey, yes. All right, y'all. That's it. So that's it, y'all. Final product. I'll definitely be using that again. Okay. All right, my loves. See you guys next time.